the spike that a lot of MLGO watchers have been waiting for has come now. 484% gain, intraday high 15.1%. The way things are going, we're projecting another high of around 25.84%, something that can happen. But at the same time, there's no guarantee that that will be the case. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Okay. So yeah, 25.84 possible upper projection. This is the 1 minute chart. That's that gain if it didn't make sense on the 4 hour chart. Let's see now. Let's see what we can find. There was a downward projection of 12.46. Didn't It did print at some point. It printed, and it's 10 period moving average is serving as a primary demand line on this 1 minute chart. Let's see the 3 minute chart and see what's available there, what's on play there. The chance that we're going to see upper projections may not be there. There is a downward projection of 12.41. Let's have a look at the 5 minute chart and see. Down projection of 12.14. 15 minute chart. Let's see. No upper projections visible. We have 10.32 downward projection. I'm trying to see if it's possible to see any upper projection. There isn't any there. 30 minute chart. Let's see. Everything is pointing upwards. I'm projecting higher highs. Downward projection all the way down to 3.22, 3.22 on the 30 minute chart. So something that can happen as well. For the 5 minute, nothing, no downward projection. Momentum expected to remain strong all throughout this trading session. That's today, the 24th of March. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart. Should be the same with pretty much the same with the 45 minute chart. We have downward projection here all the way down to 2.78. 3 hour, let's see. Okay, here in the 3 hour, we are looking at it's expected that at some point by Wednesday, weakness might set in. Okay, so it's projecting that high highs might continue to print. And yeah, even on the momentum, it's expected that momentum will also remain strong up till tomorrow as well. Up to tomorrow, yes. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Yes. Yeah, up to Wednesday, strength is expected to remain in place and to some extent being validated by the momentum indicator as well. We have a downward projection here of 3.27. Let's go to the daily chart. Yeah, highly volatile stock as well. You know that. Low float at the moment. So we have a downward projection of 9.63. These projections were in play before, but not in play at the moment. They were in play as of last week. 20.59 they didn't print, and 17.92 they didn't print. 13.98 didn't print, and this was going to be it was in play as of Friday. This 9.7 was in play on Friday, but today it has now veered off that it has veered off and also blown through that projection. But is it not really a downward, since it's not in play anymore? You could still say it's quite still relevant. So Extrapolation to the upside expected to continue up till Friday, the 4th of February. And after that, maybe weakness will set in. Yeah, let's see. As we pointed out earlier on, as I pointed out earlier on, 25.84 possible upper projection. We have seen what's been going on with some of these low float stocks. Before, they could just do one day spike and that's it. Of late, we've seen them hold these extraordinary price events. We've seen them sustain them. So MLGO could equally do so. Could equally do so. Yeah. Let's see. We could try and see what we can project, but I don't think it's going to be anything more than we have already projected. 4.08 and 2.46, most certainly not going to be as big as what we have already projected on the using the data on the 4 hour chart. So we can still do something anyway. 4.0 4.08 and 2.46 multiplied by 1.618. Add that to the current price of 13.93. 16.55 possible upper projection. 16.55. Okay, so 16.55 is one upper projection we can have. Okay, multiplied by 2.618 at the current price of 14.79. We have 19.03, 19.03, and 25.55. These are the possible projections. 16.55 can print anytime soon. 19.03 indeed can equally print. 25.33 can equally do so. Okay, let's have a look. Quickly have a look at the the 1 minute chart and see what's going on here. Yeah, stock is currently trading within its price channel. Yeah, it's currently contracting the volatility. The contracting the volatility expansion. Let's have a look at the. It doesn't look like a lot, but a lot of them are going in. A lot of the. It doesn't look like a lot, but I think some decent amount of liquidity is there. This amount of liquidity is there so far, but just thinning out somewhat. You know. So in this 4 hour chart, the stock is currently trading outside of its price channel, so expect it to come back in. Expect it to come back in. If it doesn't come back in, maybe the price channel might expand to accommodate it after some time. Being a 4 hour chart, it's not going to react so easily. Okay, yeah. So this is just some excellent validating what we saw earlier on here. So contraction is going on. Liquidity is thinning out. Maybe after this contraction, we might see another spike. So here, downward projections. I believe that if we saw that, I don't know if we saw them earlier on. We have 13.4, 12.77, and 12.35. I don't think we saw them on this 1 minute chart. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. We didn't see it earlier on. Yeah, a couple of downward projections there. We have 14.03, 13.86, and 12.46. Okay, just see what you make of MLGO. Our projections 16.55, 19.03, 25.55. Why do we need to project further? Well, it's something that it has a low float, and even though I know the company has, is issuing more shares, it still has a low float, and it's highly unpredictable. It's something that can happen. Can equally plunge all the way down to $3. I believe I saw $3 somewhere one of these charts. Let me have a look at the 5 minutes. If it's here, I saw a downward projection of $3 that was in play. Is it 10 minutes? No, I don't think so. No, but I believe I saw downward projection all the way down to $3 or thereabouts. Yes, that's it. It's on the 1 hour chart. You can see there. You can see here downward projection all the way down to 2.76. So just be careful if you're getting involved, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.